Hey guys, Brian here with Limelight Detailing. I'm here in Boise, Idaho today, and I just wanted to show everybody a quick demonstration of what can come out of your perforated car seats. And a lot of times you can look at a car and it looks really clean from the surface. You might not even have any stains. It might not be physically present, but I just kind of want to show you like what lies beneath all of your upholstery and things that can be stuck in your seats and fabric and upholstery. And so, what really separates a business like ours from a lot of other detailers out there is that when we say we actually shampoo and extract your upholstery and carpet, like this is what it actually looks like. Some detailers will just spray on a quick cleaner or like a pre-shampoo, something like that, and then just vacuum it out. That's really not cleaning anything. All it's really doing is smearing, coffee and whatever else has been spilled into the upholstery. It's just kind of smearing it around. So I wanted to show you what lies beneath when you shampoo out properly a vehicle. So we're working on a Dodge Durango today with perforated fabric, and I want to show you what it looks like. Here's a quick demonstration. All right, so that was just a quick demonstration, but as you could see, like all of the orange and brown stuff that came out of there, most likely that was either coffee or soda of some kind. But we're still gonna have to go over that several more times just to get it completely clean. But that's just to give you a quick idea of what it looks like beneath your fabric and into the upholstery. We'll get that out for you. So if you book either our interior detail, our mini detail service, or our Limelight detail, you can check out all the packages and descriptions on our website. All of those packages would include vacuuming and shampooing of the upholstery and the carpet of your interior. If that's something you want to have done, feel free to check us out at limelightdetail.com or give us a call today at 208 391 3455.